Bless you.
I just hope Gary's happy and he's in a better place.
Say hi, mommy.